Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
Do you like getting baths? No. Why not?
I cannot.
Hey!
Hey Cheeto, say hi to mommy.
His mom looking so pissed. Look at it. Before he went. Oh my god.
Good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. Yes, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a
Ready? Whee! Oh! Oh! You are supposed to jump!
Here are 5 simple steps to get your dog to respect you. Step number 1.
C'è la luna, mezza mare, mamma mia, mi maradare. Figli mia, cutterare, mamma mia, pensaccia tu. Sitte d'ogni pisciaolo, chi te viene sempre a calare del mare bene. Se ci picchia quando si è baccalata, picchia me. Oh mamma, la 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 la. Oh mamma, la 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 la. Mama dear, come over here and see who's looking in my window. It's the baker boy, and look, he's got a cannoli in his hand. If you marry the baker boy, he will come and he will go, and he will always make.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
What? Hey, don't jump over that. That would have been bad for you. No, 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 no! I can't do this. First thing in the morning right before school. Are you kidding me?
Tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me.
Help! 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 Please help! Oh my god! Oh my...
Isso, magoou mesmo.
Simba, come here. Oh. Go. I'll nudge you over. Oh my god, he won't let go! Timmy. Timmy.
No, thank you. No.
How I feel about certain design choices with little to no explanation. Yes. Yes. Absolutely not. For me, this one's 50-50. 100% no.
Just thinking and watching, really, aren't you? Oh.
We'll swap.
Bark at your dog.
Roof! Yeah!
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
And my man, thank you to my man. And my man, thank you to my man.
No. 1 minute. Fuck it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The missile is very tired. He is eepy. The missile has had a very long day of splashing bandits and wants to take just a small sleep. He EB and need.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
Good morning. No. No.
Holy cow, I've got 3 lions.
Back when we were still changing for the better. One tip was enough. For me, it was enough. To live for the hope of it all. And some plans just in case you caught. See me behind the wall. So much for summer love. Saying us 'cause you want mine to lose.
هات دول هات اللحمة هات
Hey, no, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Stop.
Bear. You come back here, Bear. Drop it.
Yes, just give me a shot for you then. Okay, bye.
Dude, you good?
Nag-aaway yan. Wait, stop! Shoo!
I can't believe when you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me?
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
No. No. Are you serious?
Dude, you're really in a bubble bath.
Stop, person.
pursing your lips while you poop.
Граната! Ложись! Граната!
I'm sorry.
Dude, you're disappointing me. Oh, I got a whiff of it, huh?
And I work like a dog day and night, living off of coffee from a...
You really can't come to the beach nowadays without at least seeing one shark.
What I mean when I say it's terrifying when my dog opens a door.
Oh my god, that is horrifying. Holy frick.
Sandali, ka dito. Uy, saila. Na.
So, I don't know if you've noticed, but you're a dog, and I'm a human. And I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
Oh my god, I caught a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's just a catfish.
Guys, I think my cat is broken.
What are you doing? No lights? Are you messing with my duvet cover? Sir? Excuse me, can I help you with something? What are you doing? That's new.
Back when we were still changing for the better. Wanting was enough. For me, it was enough. To live for the fun of it all.
And we're walking here, we're cooking people.
Are you serious?
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Peek at the cat.
Catch it, Jake. Good job.
You ready?
Catch it, Stella. Catch it.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It was an honor to be here, and thank you for everything. I had a great experience. Carlos, I know it's...
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina. No es cierto, baby girl. I know it's not you.
Pa, ha, pa, pa. Patacata.
Ow! No. This bad, daddy girl. Nah.
Ты в свободное время чем обычно занимаешься? В какое? Ну, в свободное. Это в какое?
Can somebody tell my dog to stop throwing her ball in here?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?